Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a retro poster design in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now we are going to elements and here I'm just going to search for desert background, right? Going to photos and here you can select any image, right? For example, I have just chosen this, right? Now we are going to click on edit. We'll move to filters, see all, and here you can simply add whatever effect you want to add, right? Going to the elements, going to the graphics. Okay, you can change its color as well to whatever color you want, right? Let's flip this vertical. Okay. Now here we are just going to search for Cowboy. We'll go to photos, right? Let's select this one image, VG remover, go to edit, then in filters, let's go to see all. Let's select this one filter. Shadows are nice. Highlights we can make it to white and reduce the intensity, right? Going to elements, search for retro sun, go to graphics, okay, let's duplicate this, click on text, add an edit, type whatever the text you want to write. First of all, let's change the color, right, to this color. Then you can change the font as well. Okay, so the text is perfectly fitted into the retro sun, and now I'm just moving this person over here. Let's search for halftone circle, dotted circle, right? And you can select it from here, right? Send this man, send this half dotted circle backward, right? And move this particular person over here, and then you can also add effects to it. So I'm going to click on edit, and here let's go to shadows, outline, and from here we can simply add a white outline effect. Okay, and we can reduce this size. Done. And our retro poster design is ready in Canva. I hope you like this video. Kindly hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.